Welcome to BuildShip, the visual backend development platform that makes building and shipping APIs and business workflows fast and effortless. In just 5 minutes, we're going to walk through setting up your first workflow. Let's dive in. When you sign up and log in, you'll land here on the canvas. This is where you'll build out your workflows. You'll notice a basic skeleton already in place with two key elements, an input node and an output node, representing the data you'll provide your workflow, the inputs, and the data you want to get out of your workflow when it's complete, the outputs. So what exactly is a workflow? Think of it as a sequence of steps, each represented by a node. Data flows from one node to the next, from the beginning to the end of your workflow. Every workflow begins with an input node. This is where you define the initial data. For example, you could set up two fields, one for a text string and another for a number. From here, you can start adding additional nodes. Nodes fall into different categories to match the functionality you need. There are utility nodes like branch, parallel, switch, and loop that let you control how data moves through your workflow. Then there are nodes for connecting to APIs, such as OpenAI. There are hundreds of nodes and integrations to choose from in the Node Explorer. When you see a key icon, such as with the OpenAI node here, this allows you to store your API key or access token securely. Do this once, and you'll be able to use any node from that provider without worrying about unintentionally revealing your access credentials. Let's add an AI node to generate some text based on the input we set up earlier. Just like that, data flows from our input node to our AI node, and the output generated from our AI node can be used further in our workflow. At the end of the workflow, we have our output node. This node defines what we want to do with the results from all the previous steps. This could be sending data to another platform or generating a report. Testing is simple with BuildShip. You can test each node in your workflow at any point to see how data moves through it, ensuring everything works as intended before you ship. Or you can test your entire workflow from start to finish. Once you've tested your workflow and are happy with the results, head to the Connect tab to set up one or more triggers. These are events that start your workflow automatically. BuildShip lets you connect to external platforms and set triggers to activate your workflow in real time. When your workflow is ready, it's time to ship. BuildShip makes it easy to publish workflows so you can automate tasks and processes with just a few clicks. If you're looking for inspiration or want to get started quickly, check out the templates section. You can clone any workflow template, test it, and have a functional workflow in seconds. If you're eager to learn more, we have a great documentation section on our website and a hugely supportive Discord community, and even more videos coming soon to help you explore BuildShip in depth. Ready to create your first workflow? Get started at buildship.com.